This is introducing the school mug kitchen. School mug kitchen is exactly what it is. It's to go into schools or playgroups or childminders, wherever there's kids. It's a lowered unit where kids can play and get used to doing things in the kitchen. But instead of cooking pies, they'll cook mud pies. They'll do little bits of potting, that kind of thing. Everything's there for the kids to play with. There's pretend oven, there's pretend sinks. We can make them to your design or ours. It's entirely up to you, however you want them. If you were interested in buying one, just send me a message below. If you like, and subscribe below as well. And that'll help us with getting further up in the listings. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Cheers, bye.